3 years of transformation, impacting lives, shaping the future. Abia North Zone under Governor Oti's administration. This documentary highlights and summarizes some of the key achievements of the administration of His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti OFR in the Abia North Senatorial District of the state. Abia North comprises Arochukwu, Bende, Isukwato, Ohafia, and Umunochi local government areas. Security. Abia North Zone was the first beneficiary of the security initiative of Governor Oti's administration to local governments. Umunochi and Isukwato in the zone, which was ceded to criminals, kidnappers, and bandits under the previous administration, were promptly recovered and order restored through the interagency security outfit codenamed Operation Crush, established at the early days of the administration. The administration fenced and restored sanity and order at Lokmanta Cattle Market, which was a flashpoint. Education. Abia North has benefited immensely from the holistic transformation of the education sector under Governor Alex Oti's administration. At the basic and secondary education levels, no fewer than 50 new school buildings are currently under construction across the 5 local government areas of the zone. While some projects have been completed, others are at various stages of completion. These include smart schools, primary schools, and secondary schools designed to provide conducive learning environments for pupils and students. They are Maju Memorial School, Biama Primary School, both in Ohafia local government area, the ongoing smart school project in Mporo and Iwere, to mention but a few. At the tertiary level, both Abia State University Uchuru in Isukwato local government area and the State College of Education Technical Arochukwu have witnessed massive transformation through the deliberate interventions of the Governor Oti's administration. Before now, both institutions suffered years of neglect, with staff welfare largely ignored. The administration promptly cleared 11 months of salary arrears owed to staff of Abia State University and 3 years of salary arrears owed to staff of ASETA by previous administrations. New leadership teams were also appointed to drive the vision of the governor for both institutions. Following Governor Oti's on-the-spot assessment visit to ABSU, the institution became a massive construction site. Existing hostels have been renovated and made habitable for students. Construction is ongoing on a brand new 5,000-bed capacity male and female hostels each, a brand new modern cafeteria, a new Faculty of Law and Faculty of Agriculture buildings, a staff primary school, and the reconstruction of the ABSU International Secondary School. Internal road networks are also being reconstructed, while electricity has been restored to the university community after years of blackout. At ASETA, the administration revived an institution that had lost accreditation for many of its academic programs. Infrastructure across the institution had deteriorated badly, and the number of staff had exceeded the students' population. Today, accreditation has been restored, infrastructure upgraded, laboratories rehabilitated, administrative buildings renovated, and manpower gaps filled through strategic recruitment of qualified personnel. Health sector. Primary healthcare. The administration of Governor Oti has remodeled, upgraded, retrofitted, and functionalized at least one primary health center in every electoral ward across the 5 local government areas of Abia North, amounting to no fewer than 68 primary health centers. These facilities now provide residents with access to quality and affordable healthcare services. Secondary healthcare. At the secondary healthcare level, the administration renovated, retrofitted, and restored the Arochukwu General Hospital, among other healthcare facilities across the zone. The Ohafia General Hospital is receiving the required attention and upgrade, and a brand new general hospital has been approved for urban community, with the design work currently ongoing. Tertiary healthcare. The administration is also currently reconstructing and upgrading the Omonato General Hospital into a specialist hospital to cater for the referral healthcare needs within the zone. Work is progressing steadily towards the delivery of a world-class healthcare facility that meets global standards. Road infrastructure. Abia North has benefited significantly from the road transformation and revolution of the Governor Otis administration through massive reconstruction, rehabilitation, and road maintenance projects connecting communities and local government areas. Some notable projects include the reconstruction of the 67-kilometer and 41.4-kilometer Umuahia Ozuakoli Abribo Ohafia Arochukwu Road, traversing Umuahia North, Bende, Isukwato, Ohafia, and Arochukwu local government areas. Construction of a brand new Omenoko Bridge beside the old Colonial Bridge, which had become a death trap for commuters. The 30-kilometer Arochukwu Ndiokereku Zwabam Road, ending the long-standing belief that there was no easy road to Arochukwu. Construction of the 11.5-kilometer Nunye Eluama Road in Isukwata local government area. Ongoing construction of the 11.27-kilometer Mbala Omako Ngodo Road in Omunochi local government area. Ongoing reconstruction of sections 1 and 2 of the 13.9-kilometer Onuinyang Okborenyi Obori Kwano Road, connecting communities in Bende and Ikwano local government areas, including many other roads across communities and local government areas across the zone. Transportation. Abia North has also benefited from the construction of bus shelters and transport support infrastructure aimed at improving urban mobility and commuter comfort. In addition, electric buses introduced by the administration now ply roads and communities across the zone. Agriculture. Abia North remains one of the biggest beneficiaries of Governor Otis' agricultural transformation initiatives. These include the training and empowerment of at least 95 indigents of the zone in mechanized agriculture and agricultural value chains at CSS Integrated Farms in Nasarawa State. The administration has also established rice farming clusters across Arochukwu, Bende, Ohafia, and the Isukwata local government areas as part of the state's 8,500 hectares rice cultivation program aimed at boosting food production and strengthening farming cooperatives. Presco PLC, a leading palm oil production company in Nigeria and Ghana, is also partnering with the Abia State government in a major agricultural investment initiative. The company is investing over $200 million in the development of palm plantations and processing facilities in strategic locations across Ulonna in Bende local government area and Abam in Arochukwu local government area. Power and public utilities. Abia North has also benefited immensely from investments in power and public utilities. These interventions include the installation of thousands of solar-powered streetlights on roads, streets, and public facilities, including the newly reconstructed 67, 11, 11, 30, and 13-kilometer roads. The administration has also embarked on the drilling of boreholes and the distribution of transformers to communities across the zone. The process of restoring electricity to Ohafia after years of blackout is also nearing completion. Greater Ohafia Development Authority, GODA. To ensure balanced development across the state, Governor Alex Oti established the Greater Ohafia Development Authority, otherwise known as GODA. The agency has continued to drive socio-economic development in Abia North, especially in road infrastructure. Some completed and ongoing projects include rehabilitation of the Asaga Amuke Road with bridge construction in Ohafia local government area, reconstruction of Ifama Road with bridge construction at Ezuku in Bende local government area, construction of the Elu Court Ndiofuche Road, and erosion control projects at Amabo Akolifun Alai in Bende local government area, rehabilitation of the Umunuku Abo Amibacha Road in Isukwata local government area, construction of the Ahoma Abam Road in Arochukwu local government area, SME support, job creation, and human capital development. Residents of Abia North have also benefited from several economic empowerment and human capital development initiatives of the Governor Otis administration. No fewer than 3,200 persons from the zone benefited from the 1 billion naira nano business support scheme, through which 10,000 nano businesses across the state received interest-free loans of 100,000 naira each. More than 750 persons from the zone have benefited from the Abia Tech Rise Digital Skills Development Program, while over 350 persons participated in the Abia Leadership Academy initiative. Thousands of people from Abia North were also employed during the recruitment of over 9,000 teachers by the administration, while many others benefited from the recruitment of healthcare professionals and other government employment initiatives. Judiciary. The ongoing construction of modern court complexes across the 17 local government areas of the state has also benefited the 5 local government areas of Abia North with 5 brand new court buildings. The court buildings are currently at various stages of completion. Environmental sanitation. The administration of Governor Oti created the Abia State Environmental Protection Agency (ASIPA) on Hafia Zone for the first time in the history of the state. ASIPA deployed receptacles across communities in Abia North and evacuates refuse from communities across the 5 local government areas in the zone. Indeed, the achievements and benefits enjoyed by the people of Abia North Senatorial District in the last 3 years of Governor Alex Oti's administration are too numerous to count. From education to healthcare, road infrastructure, agriculture, transportation, power, youth empowerment, and environmental sustainability, the administration is improving lives and building a better future for the people of Abia North and Abia State at large.